Oh, yeah. But I remember Miss Green. God.
She hated us. Don't know why.
I miss them days. Everything was easy then. We were just innocent kids making up stories in the playground.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
You know, when I was inside, I used to think back to those days a lot. It was the only thing that made me feel good. George?
Yeah?
You alright?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I just don't like to talk about it, that's all. You know, you in there,
It was a couple of months for a stupid mistake. Honestly, it's fine.
No, it's just scary, that's all.
Scary?
Well, yeah. Like, if you could do what you did, then anyone could. Like, what if I end up doing...
You wouldn't.
How do you know? Did you ever think you could do that?
No. But I was in a shit place then, alright? Anyway, what's the plan for tomorrow? We can go fishing.
No, that's more of a Sunday vibe, I reckon. Could go for a walk tomorrow. I've got my camera. See what we can find.
Only if that walk leads to a pub.
I doubt there's a pub round here. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Hey, I'll sniff one out. When I'm back, whiskey. Morning.
Morning.
Sleep well, princess?
Yeah. Kind of. You?
Yeah, alright. What are you doing up this early anyway?
Birds woke me up.
Bastards, aren't they?
Nah, I like it. Reminds me of summer mornings on school break, you know?
Aye. Right, I'm gonna go for a piss.
You should wait until after, you know. Smoking. You should wait until after you eat.
Why?
Because then you'll have the taste of cigarette in your mouth when you eat.
What's the obsession with taking all these photos anyway?
Just want something to look back on.
Because we don't do stuff like this anymore.
Not what I said.
It's what you were thinking though, isn't it?
No, but before this, when was the last time we did something fun?
Look, we're adults. We have jobs, lives to live. We're not kids anymore. Can't you just enjoy being here? Look, after we finish these, we can head off into the woods. We might find a deer or something worth taking a photo of. George! Look.
Is he dead? What the fuck are you doing?
Checking. George. He's dead. Wait.
What?
It looks as if he's been strangled.
What, murdered?
What are you doing?
Ringing the police? What the fuck?
We can't.
Can't what?
Ring the police.
Are you mad?
George, I've been out for 2 months. If we get tangled up in this, they'll think I did it.
What? No, they won't.
They might. And that's enough for us to not make that call.
I'm not doing this. We can't find a dead guy and not report it. It's not right. Are you tapped?
George, look. I'm not asking you to be a bad person. You're not. But we have nothing to do with this. I know that. We know that. I'm just asking you to walk away and forget about it. Someone else will find him and report it. I'm begging you, please don't get us involved in this.
Harvey, man. You know what I was saying last night? You know about being scared about doing something bad, but ignoring this, that's bad.
Everyone lives with things to regret. Everyone. God knows that I do. Maybe this time you'll grow up and
Grow up? What's this got to do with growing up?
all of this shit about us drifting. You're not scared of us not being friends anymore. You're scared of growing up. You want everything to be like what it was like when we were kids. And it's not. It's shit. We grow up and we do things we never thought we would. And we move on and...
We have a choice.
Yeah, you do. And your choice is to help me out or risk me going back to jail. Ignoring this won't make you a bad person. But doing that to me, that'll make you a bad friend. Go back to the tent. Have a few drinks. And then tomorrow we'll go fishing for our last day. And then we return to our normal lives.
Get the fuck